Canon MG2522 Troubleshooting, quick fixes for common issues. To troubleshoot the Canon MG2522, check for paper jams and ensure proper ink cartridge installation. Reset the printer if issues persist. The Canon MG2522 is a popular all-in-one printer known for its affordability and ease of use. Despite its reliability, users may occasionally face issues requiring troubleshooting. Common problems include paper jams, connectivity issues, and print quality concerns. Addressing these issues promptly can ensure your printer functions smoothly. Start by checking for any visible obstructions and ensuring the ink cartridges are correctly installed. Regular maintenance and timely software updates can also prevent many common problems. Understanding basic troubleshooting steps can save time and reduce frustration, allowing you to get back to printing quickly. Canon MG2522 printer not turning on. Is your Canon MG2522 printer not turning on? This problem can be frustrating. Let's go through some steps to fix it. 1. Check power connections. 2. Reset the printer. Canon MG2522 paper jams. Paper jams can be a frustrating issue with the Canon MG522 printer. These jams occur when paper gets stuck in the machine's paper path. This can halt all printing operations and waste both time and resources. Let's explore effective ways to clear and prevent paper jams. 1. Clearing paper path. 2. Preventing future jams. Canon MG2522 poor print quality. Experiencing poor print quality with your Canon MG2522 can be frustrating. Faded prints, streaks, or blotchy text can ruin your documents. Below are steps to troubleshoot and fix these issues. 1. Cleaning print heads. 2. Replacing ink cartridges. Canon MG2522 wireless connection issues. Struggling with wireless connection issues on your Canon MG2522 printer? You're not alone. Many users face this issue, but it's easy to fix. This guide will help you reconnect your printer to Wi-Fi and update its firmware. Reconnecting to Wi-Fi. 2. Updating printer firmware. Canon MG2522 error codes. The Canon MG2522 printer is popular for home use. Sometimes users face error codes. These codes tell you what is wrong. Fixing them can be simple. Read on for common error codes and how to fix them. 1. Common error codes. 2. Steps to resolve Canon MG2522 slow printing. Is your Canon MG2522 printer taking too long to print? Slow printing can be frustrating. There are several reasons this might be happening. Below, we'll explore ways to speed up your printer. 1. Optimizing print settings. 2. Checking for software updates. Canon MG2522 scanning problems. Scanning issues with the Canon MG2522 can be frustrating. This section will help you solve common scanning problems. Follow these steps to get your scanner working again. 1. Ensuring proper setup. 2. Troubleshooting scan errors. Frequently asked questions about Canon MG2522. Why is my Canon MG2522 not printing? Check for paper jams, ensure ink levels are sufficient, and verify printer is connected properly. How do I reset my Canon MG2522? Turn off the printer, unplug for 30 seconds, then plug back in and turn it on. What should I do if my Canon MG2522 is offline? Ensure printer is connected to the computer and select Use Printer Online in Settings. How can I fix Canon MG2522 paper jams? Turn off the printer, remove the jammed paper carefully, and check for any remaining pieces. Why is my Canon MG2522 printing blank pages? Check ink cartridges for sufficient ink and ensure they are installed correctly. Clean print head if necessary. Conclusion about Canon M222 resolving issues with the Canon MG2522 can be straightforward. Follow our troubleshooting tips for seamless printing. Proper maintenance ensures longevity and efficiency. Keep your printer in top shape with regular checks. Troubleshoot common problems to avoid downtime. Enjoy hassle-free printing with your Canon MG2522 by staying proactive and informed.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit HelloTroubleshooting.com.